Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products for you. Today, we're diving into one of the top-rated school supplies that will bring your coloring experience to a whole new level: the Shuttle Art 408-pack colored pencils. This isn't just any set. It's the best Classpack of colored pencils you'll ever need, whether you're a teacher, a parent, or an art enthusiast. In this pack, you get 408 high-quality colored pencils, perfectly suited for any creative project. The set includes 12 vibrant and classic colors, ranging from deep blues and greens to bright yellows and reds, ensuring that your art can pop with color. Whether you're coloring a detailed drawing or simply adding a bit of flair to your notes, these pencils provide rich, pigmented colors that make any creation look professional. One of the best features of this set is that the pencils come pre-sharpened, meaning you can start drawing or coloring right away, saving you valuable time. Plus, with 20 sharpeners included, you won't need to worry about running out of sharpeners halfway through your art project. You're fully equipped to tackle anything from large classroom projects to small personal sketches. The quality of these pencils is top-notch. Made from durable basswood, they are designed to sharpen easily without the risk of breakage, even when you're going through a lot of sharpening. The thick lead core ensures that your pencil won't snap easily while in use, offering long-lasting use for students and artists of all ages. The Shuttle Art 408-pack colored pencils also adheres to safety standards, conforming to ASTM D4236 and N71 standards. They're non-toxic and safe for kids, making them ideal for school use, daycare centers, and homeschooling. These pencils are designed to last, meaning you get great value for your money while ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience for young artists. Whether you're a teacher looking for an economical solution for your class, a parent encouraging your child's creativity, or an adult looking to dive into the world of coloring, this pack has got you covered. The vibrant colors, pre-sharpened tips, and included sharpeners make it the best choice for anyone in need of quality colored pencils. So, if you're looking to enhance your artistic endeavors or simply want a reliable set of colored pencils, the Shuttle Art 408-pack is your go-to option. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews of your favorite products. Thanks for watching.